Can you fire your insurance company while your claim is pending? Hi, I'm Frank Nunes. I'm a California personal injury trial attorney practicing in the state of California. Join me as we answer this question. The short answer is absolutely. In California, it's dependent on when the claim was made and who your insurance company was at the time that the claim happened. It's not necessarily who was insuring you at the time that you wanted to file the suit. So you can be under another policy's coverage, have a collision or be hit by somebody, realize that you're paying too much for that insurance. When it comes time to renew your policy, switch to another carrier. In fact, it just happened recently. A client of mine called me. She has a pending case. The case is being handled by her existing insurance company. She found a cheaper rate for her insurance and she said, "Can I change to a new company? It's going to save me a lot of money." I said, absolutely. It would have no impact whatsoever on us resolving her claim. Well, that's it for today's video on whether you can fire your insurance company while you have a pending claim. By the way, if you found this information useful, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Why? So you can continue to get great new content every time we post another great educational video. And if you have questions, I want you to pick up the phone and call me. I can answer those questions since I answer them all the time. You can reach me at 559-436-0850. I'm Frank Nunes, and thanks for watching.